John, I see you brought Antonio Diavolo, one of the great figures in the history of automaton made by Robert Houdin, the great French magician.
Over 140 years ago in Paris.
That's truly remarkable. And he performed almost every night for 50 years. Well, we're in store for a true treat. Here we have a piece built by the most famous magician of the 19th century, restored to its original condition from more than hundreds of pieces, and about ready to command our attention the way it commanded the attention of royalty 140 years ago.
Yeah, really exciting.
Let's do it. Ladies and gentlemen, why don't we journey back and see what an audience might have seen in an elegant Parisian theater in 1847. Please welcome John Gaun, and performing his polandric evolutions, that terpsichore of the trapeze, Antonio Diavolo.
Antonio, you holding on?
You're not afraid of falling, are you? Then would you bow and we'll commence with the routine? Well done. Straighten out his leg?
Ask him.
Antonio, would you straighten out your legs, please? And the other? Ah, very impressive. Really wonderful. Do you think we could talk Antonio into doing an encore?
Yes, he would love to.
Should I start the bar?
He should start it himself this time.
That would be impressive.
Come on, Antonio.
It's really hard to believe that this was a bunch of broken parts in a box which I saw in your shop 7 years ago. We should point out there's absolutely no electronic trickery here whatsoever.
The same as it was 140 years ago.
Truly remarkable. Ladies and gentlemen, John Gaun and Antonio Diavolo.